to operate Kernel Portable 308nm Phototherapy.
Let's see the device. Firstly, the screen. The big LCD screen will show the working status of the device, such as the dose remaining and the treatment time remaining, the time, the battery cycle. There's this button. Then let's see the light source, the high-energy 308nm LED. And two modes of this device. As you can see, this is dose mode. You can set dose, such as where your UV goggles. Then you can press the OK button to undergo the UV treatment. Pretty obvious of the UV light on the white paper. I will change the work mode to the time mode. Yes, now it's the time work mode. Press OK. You can set the hold time, such as we set about 45 seconds. Then press OK. There's a voice prompt remind us that the treatment again. Now we can see them. During the exposure, if you need to pause, you can press then the treatment will pause, and after you come back and press this continue button again, and then treatment will continue. That's all I shared today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'll be there for you. Bye.